Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Run Java version and note whether you need 32-bit or 64-bit Java. Once done, inspect Java home and path. Make sure they point to the exact JDK or JRE folder. Also search common conflict locations like C, \Windows \System32, and program files for stray Java. Exe and remove or rename them so the correct runtime is first in path. This prevents the launcher from invoking the wrong binary and saves time when you continue to repair. Next, repair or reinstall the runtime. Try the installer's repair option first because it restores missing files and registry entries quickly. If repair isn't available, uninstall via Settings Apps and then install the exact architecture and major version your application requires. Make sure you choose the latest security patch for that major release. Once installed, update Java home and path again, and if the launcher still targets the wrong file, correct Java home/runtime lib registry keys to point to the new JVM, DLL. Finally, validate the fix by running Java version and Java jar your app. Jar and read errors exactly. This reveals if the launcher still uses the wrong JVM. If you see mismatch messages, use Process Monitor to trace which Java, exe, and JVM, DLL are loaded during startup. Once identified, replace the wrong file or adjust path order. If nothing changes, reinstall the application's launcher and clear its config/cache files. This removes corrupted pointers. One key troubleshooting tip: capture
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.